Hello guys, so this is the first video of Unit 6. The unit is called What Would You Like? And we're going to learn some vocabulary about shopping and shops, and also we're going to talk about countable and uncountable nouns. So the goal of the first part of the unit is to talk about buying things in shops. So we're going to learn vocabulary that you can use when you want to buy something. The first activity is called Do You Like Shopping? And it's a listening and speaking activity. The first part, we're going to start with a listening, and we're going to listen to Andrew and Dorian talking about shopping. Do they like shopping? And also the other questions: who shops on the internet, who shops after work, and who shops for food once a week. Okay? So let's listen and answer those questions.
Track 15.
Do you like shopping?
I absolutely hate going shopping.
Oh, me too. I hate shopping too. You know, the only shopping I like is on the internet.
Oh,
You know, I
and when
just
they deliver it at home.
yeah, anything like that. I just hate shopping. I don't understand why people love shopping.
I don't.
Really.
I normally do it after work.
What?
Quick,
Yeah.
so you don't have to go into town on a Saturday.
Oh, yeah. How about food? You obviously you have to buy food.
I go once a week to the supermarket and then I buy my shopping for the whole week.
It's a very, very good idea. Yeah, me too.
Okay, as you know, if you want to listen to the listenings again, you have to go back on the video and play it again. Okay? So the answers: do they like shopping? Nope, they hate shopping. And who shops on the internet? That would be Andrew. And Dorian is the one who shops after work. And both of them shop for food once a week. The speaking part of this activity says talk together, find out about each other's shopping habits. As you cannot do that because we're online, you have to answer these questions and think about the answers you would give to your classmates. So, do you like shopping? Why or why not? How often do you buy books? What about magazines and music? What do you enjoy buying and what don't you enjoy buying? And the last one, do you use the internet for shopping and what do you usually buy? So, as you are going to answer these questions on your own, I'm going to give you an example by answering them myself. So, do I like shopping? Nope. I hate shopping because usually malls and shops are very crowded and people are kind of annoying, and I hate that. I don't like shopping for that reason. Also, every time I get in a shop, I usually want to buy, I go buy one thing and then I end up buying 10 things, and I hate that. Number two, how often do I buy books? Well, sadly, I do not buy books anymore because I can read them online mostly, and books are very expensive now. So unless the book doesn't have a free online version, then I will not buy it. And what about magazines and music? I do not buy magazines. I think I haven't bought a magazine since I was 18 years old or something. And music, well, I don't buy music since I was 12 or something. Because now we download music, or as I do, I pay for Spotify, which is not really buying music but is paying for it. Number three, do what do I enjoy buying? Well, I enjoy buying technology. Even though I don't do it very often, I really, really like opening my new product and using it for the first time. I also like buying things for my car. I love it when it smells good and it looks good. So those are the things I enjoy buying. And what don't I enjoy buying? Well, clothes, because I think that shops usually sell clothes that are fashionable and that follow the current fashion trend. And I usually don't like it, so I have to go to a lots of shops to find what I like. What I like. And do I use the internet for shopping? Yes, I do. I love shopping online because everything gets delivered to my door, and I like that. And now that we are on lockdown, I buy everything online, even my vegetables. What I don't like buying online though is clothes because you don't know how it's going to look on yourself. And I've seen enough pictures of people who have bought clothes from China and a dress for example, it's definitely not what it looked like on the website. But now let's move on. We're going to learn some vocabulary about shops and shopping. So here we have the plan of a shopping center. And we have some shops and places that you can find in the shopping center. So you're going to match shops 1 to 8 on the plan of the shopping center. And then match the places 9 to 15, okay, with the rest with I to O, sorry. Okay, so pause the video so you can do this on your own before I give you the answers. So the first shop is a bookshop, which would be D. A pharmacy is E. A shoe shop, B. A sports shop, F. A computer shop, G. A music shop, A. Clothes shop, H. And a news agent, C. Then 9, we have the toilets, which is I, a lift, N, an escalator, L, the entrance or exit, K, the stairs, O, information section, M, and then we have a cash machine or ATM, J. Okay? So you're going to ask, what's the difference between an escalator and the stairs? Well, an escalator is mechanical, okay? And the stairs is where you have to walk up the stairs. So you walk up the stairs. They are not mobile, okay? They don't move. They are not mechanical. Escalators are. So let's move on. Okay, you are going to ask me for more vocabulary about shops. I know, yes. It's in the PowerPoint presentation that is in the Aula Virtual, okay? I posted some pictures of the different shops so you could quickly understand what the shops are all about. And also you can have department stores and other types of shops that I have found online. So, where can you go to buy these things? So, from the stores that we just saw in the plan of the shopping center, you have to answer where can you go to buy these different things or get these different things, okay? So, where can you go to buy boots? Okay, so you buy boots at a shoe shop. Where can you buy maps? You can buy maps at a bookstore or also some news agents. Where can you go to get money? Well, that would be the cash machine. Where can you go to buy trousers? Well, to a clothes shop. Where can you go to buy a football? That would be the sports shop. Then where can you go to wash your hands? That would be the toilet. And where can you go to buy medicine? The pharmacy. And where can you go to buy a magazine? Well, that would be the news agent. And answer the question, what other things can you go buy in each shop? Okay, obviously you can buy lots of things in the different shops, so try making a list. What other things can you buy in each of them? Now we're going to listen to John shopping. Which 3 shops does he go to? And what does he buy? Okay. What's important here is that we're going to learn a lot of vocabulary about going shopping. Okay? Because we're going to listen to him actually buying some things. So, we're going to listen and remember to answer the questions, which 3 shops does he go to and what does he buy?
Track 17.
1.
Are you okay? Do you need some help?
Well, I'd like a new tennis racket, but I don't know what to get.
Well, all of these are good, but I like this one.
It feels great. The balance is really... Yes, okay. I'll take this one.
Okay, great.
And, I need some tennis balls too.
How many would you like? They're in packets of 3.
Oh, I'll have 6, please. 2 packets.
Fine. Is that everything?
Yes, I think so. How much is that?
Right, it's $35.50, please.
Okay, 35 and 50.
Thanks.
Thanks for your help. Bye.
Bye.
2.
Hi, I'm looking for the new book by Paulo Coelho.
Paolo who?
Coelho. Coelho.
I'll check. No, sorry, it's not in at the moment. It should be in next week, on Tuesday.
Tuesday. Okay, thanks. And do you have any street maps of Melbourne?
Yes, they're over there on that wall.
Oh, right. How much is this one?
It's $5.99.
Okay, I'll have it, thanks.
3.
Could I try these shoes on, please?
Yeah, sure.
They feel a bit big. Do you have them in a size 10?
Yes, just a moment. I'll have a look for you. There you are.
Oh, thanks very much. Oh, these are better.
Are you sure?
Yeah, they're fine. How much are they?
They're $79.95.
Okay, I'll have them.
And would you like anything else?
No, that's fine, thanks.
Okay, good. So, which 3 shops does John go to? He first goes to a sports shop and he buys a tennis racket and balls and tennis balls. And then he goes to a bookshop and buys a map. And then he goes to the shoe shop and buys a pair of shoes. So, now we're going to move on to the vocabulary section. And you have to answer the question, who asks question 1 to 7? Write J for John or A as the shop assistant, okay? Then you have to match questions 1 to 7 with the answers A to G. So pause the video so you can answer those questions, and if you need to listen to it again, go back on the video and answer the questions. So, do you need some help? That would be the shop assistant. How many would you like? Also the shop assistant. Is that everything? Again, the shop assistant. Do you have any street maps? That's John. How much is this one? Also John. How much are they? John again. And would you like anything else? That would be the shop assistant. And exercise B, match questions 1 to 7 with the answers. We have question 1. Do you need some help? That would be answered in C. I'd like a new tennis racket. Then 2, how many would you like? That would be F. I'll have 6, please. Number 3, is that everything? Is answered in E. Yes, I think so. Number 4, do you have any street maps? The answer is A. Yes, they are over there. Then we have 5. How much is this one? The answer is B. It's $5.99. Then number 6. How much are they? Is answered in D. They are $79.95. And the last one. Would you like anything else? No, that's fine. Thanks. Okay. So these are the questions that you repeatedly ask in a bookshop, or in any shop. Okay, do you need some help? These are common questions that a shop assistant would ask because she's trying to help you to find the product and then buy it, right? And the questions that John asks, how much is this one? How much are they? You want to know the price of these items, right? So it says, look at how much and how many in the conversations. Which expressions do you use to ask about price? And which expression do you use to ask about the number of things? So we use how much to ask about the price of something. For example, how much is this one? How much are they? Though he is asking about the price of different items. Then, which expression do you use to ask about the number of things? That would be how many. Okay, for example, I'm looking for some gifts for my family, so I'm looking for books. How many books would you like? Or he's asking about tennis balls, and the girl says, how many would you like? So how many tennis balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tennis balls. Okay, so remember, we use how much to ask about price and how many to ask about the number of things that we want. And finally, we have a pronunciation section in which you have to listen and underline the stress word in these questions. Okay?
Track 18.
1,
How much is this one?
2,
How many would you like?
3,
Do you have any street maps?
4,
Would you like anything else?
Okay, so let's see which ones are stressed. Again, if you need to listen to it again, go back and play the audio again. So how much is this one? Okay, how many would you like? Do you have any street maps? And would you like anything else? Okay, so which words, 1 or 2, do you usually stress at the beginning of questions? So we don't stress words like would, do, does, are, is, am, because these are function words. And we do stress words like how much, how many, when, what, where, and who. Okay? And that would be the end of the first video. We're going to talk about countable and uncountables in the next video, and remember to check the vocabulary PowerPoint so you can learn something more about different shops.